Want to pin a chat on Instagram? I'm Emily, and today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Tap and hold on the chat that you want to pin. Then simply tap on Pin at the top. What this does is, it shows the pin chat at the top. You can pin the chats of the people that you frequently talk to or who are important. To unpin the chat, tap and hold on the chat. Then simply tap on Unpin. And that is how to pin chat on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.